Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit your notification button. Country girl, country boss, 306, nuclear roster man. We can't leave out garage boss at all. That's a big one. Trini boss, all the Caribbean people them, everybody in our Cayman, St. Vincent, St. Lucia, big up on yourself and thanks for the support. See what I'm saying? Remember, we have the WhatsApp group. You can join in on the discussion. You have some graphic image in there, so people who don't really like that, just be careful. And like me I say, it's a WhatsApp group, and people them drop in some things sometimes. So yeah, the community are grow. Like me say, when we reach a certain threshold, we will give us some money straight up. And ask country to help me with that. Alright, we have the Patreon. Now, look at the screen in front of you. And you have Vybz Kartel in React. That's the title. So, Drake is the most streamed artist in Jamaica. I'm saying I am not surprised. I am not surprised, not one bit. Because over the years, as we can see, people's identity have been eroded, including Vybz Kartel with the bleaching, and now all of the so-called shot of them bleach. Everybody emulates America. Everybody emulates America, and nobody wants to stay in Jamaica, especially with the kind of thing we are going down there and the kind of video. So I'll hear a man and say, yeah man, ooh, me a Jamaican and this one daughter. Ooh. No, the people them really want to disassociate themselves with that place like that. Because look at the kind of crime. You might use man head as football and all them bomber class thing there. You understand? They might chop up and I videotape it. So along with the internet, because all the internet is, me I got define the internet for so long when I know what the internet really is. All the internet is, it's a means of sharing information. And with the new level of technology in terms of sharing and stuff like that, it make places like Jamaica get even worse. Because, like I say, majority of the people them don't want to be there and don't want to associate themselves with the country. It no matter where a man say. It no matter where a man say. The only set of people them where really sort of want to be in Jamaica are the people them where make money and they're protected. You understand? Not even them have the whole of them wealth of Jamaica. You understand? No. Cartel say the radio station them of Jamaica now play music. And that's true. Because, let me tell you, the radio station them of Jamaica are some of the biggest pussy them. You understand? Me don't know who own them or which entity. Me don't know how them compromise of their radio playlist. But let me tell you something. Them are some big bumbuckler pussy. And me know why me say that. Me I explain this to you now. Just make me boo them bumbuck. Yeah, me have to boo. Now, look at the post in front of now. You must say, boy, go for stop or a foreign mind. But look on his skin color. So, everything where Vybz Kartel do, it have to deal with America and foreign. And the man them follow him. So, him is a part of the problem. So, he must say, boy, him can't understand how Drake. Cause nobody no want their Jamaica. Majority of the people them are poor people. And the neighborhood filled with violence and gang. People are dead, people are dead. Man either get slap off, chop off, all sorts of shit and go on that. So who would want to associate themselves with that? Everybody when you talk to, yo, them can't wait for that foreign. Enough man, your man will come a foreign. Ooh, me a this, me a that, me a that, me a this. You understand? So it makes totally sense. It's like this. Now, let me get back to something what me did want to tell you. The radio station them. I remember, the Dudus thing where I go on. When you turn on the Jamaican music, all the Jamaican radio station during that siege in I think 2010, all they were playing is foreign music. They were playing jazz, they were playing pop. You would never know that something is going on. There was no journalist at the scene. Most of the information came to people abroad through social media and CNN. And from that day, I said, no, me know the radio station there and the TV station there in Jamaica are some big ugly tomato. You understand? But, like I said, this right here shows what is going on in Jamaica. We are foreign-minded. The foreign lifestyle mash we up. We don't produce nothing. All we want is a quick fix. So we become a service nation. So everybody want to live a foreign. Everybody want to get rich. Nobody want to work hard. And then, like I said, the foreign media glorify and the music glorify certain things. So most of the youth them are yard and that they might deal with foreign. No man don't want to stay there, so everybody talk about the government this, the government that. So it plays out even in the entertainment field where Jamaicans in Jamaica rather listen to a foreign artist. Everybody foreign, man. Everybody a try to go foreign. You understand? The issues with the country from day one and riding the backs of the people them and all of them things there with everything. So I've said it before and I'm gonna say it again. If any day me feel like me I lose my citizenship or whatever, or green card, me I walk up to a police and me I thump him in a blood clean mouth and go straight to prison. Me rather live a prison dog than live at Jamaica, straight up. You're mad? And that's what this music is saying. Yo, my name is Countryman. Drop some comment on that one, yeah. You understand? Drop some comment. Let me know what you think. Like we said, this music is saying the same thing I am saying and everybody else is saying. Nobody wants to be there. You understand? And put up with certain things. Nobody wants to be there. You understand? If we're gonna work together, fine, but we're not working together because you see how the system's here. So this is what the music data is called, big data, that these streaming media sites, YouTube and all of them gather, and they can tell pretty much what's going on in the country and what the people in mindset is. If I was the Jamaican government, I would be worried because all our education people, all the people that were supposed to build the country and grow the country, them now want to stay the country, them want to leave the country, a bag of gangster in the country. My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit your notification button. And me have to give my boo for that one, yeah. And I'm out.